Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today I am doing Dolls Gone Goth, the challenge that J Dolls UK and I put out to everyone for Dolls Gone Goth Bad Egg. What is bad egg? You tell us. Any interpretation that you have, we are going to come see today. This is my Gothia. She is my Dolls Gone Goth doll, and she has her basket. Well, that's weird. She has a necklace in there too, but okay. Full
She's
of
stealing stuff now.
lotions and potions and eyes of newt and mermaid tears and a little bit of snow and potions and lotions. That's what's in her Easter basket. And we have some eggs, and we're going to play bad egg, good egg. I wanted to point out first, a lot of people say they don't have a golf doll. I love these. I mean, I love these Chanel Onyx. Any of the dolls in the Shadow High line are perfect Dolls Gone Goth. We aren't that picky. It's just the dark side, not really goth. Could be if you wanted to. But I absolutely love these dolls. Look, Darren made her a stand with her name on it. I love it. So let's play good egg, bad egg. This one, let's open it up. Oh, shoes. That's always a good egg. So they all got Blythe shoes there. Oh, Tootsie Rolls. That's a good egg.
Unless you don't like Tootsie Rolls.
Unless you don't like Tootsie Rolls. And another, with almonds. You know what? We had eaten those up around the house too. Good thing I wrapped these early. We can have those. Ooh, that's a good egg. Love that. Oh, yeah. Oh, mints. Those are really good when you're not feeling good. You congest it or you have snot in your throat. And then we have another one. Oh, Darren. Darren 3D printed this one. The model or pattern is on Thingiverse. I thought it was cute.
I guess that's a bad egg.
That could be a bad egg. And then we have this Goth Easter hat. And we're going to open this up and see. Oh, looky here. This is not a bad egg to me. This is a very good egg. Meet Blythe Onyx, my new goth doll that I absolutely love. Darren made her a stand already, Dolls Gone Goth. She has a Chanel Onyx Rainbow High body with a Blythe doll head that took a whole lot, weeks, to get her to where she is. And I love her. I do. Is she perfect in the face? Absolutely not. Is she good for me? Yeah, very. And I did make her an Easter bonnet to go with her snake print Easter dress. Okay, so the hardest part was picking out a paintbrush. What do I use? So I went with the tiniest, and I'm heavy-handed, and evidently I'm heavier-handed with the left side than the right side, and I like the right side, but it's not coming off. I have Mr. Super Clear on here. So I'm going to have to work around it, and I have this. I think I'm going to use it for the lips and cheeks. So every mark I make looks like it's staying. Talk about intimidating. Here's my idea. I want to use that body, but the face isn't coming out pretty like this one, but we'll keep going and see what happens. I'm thinking some gray eyeshadow and maybe some, I don't know, I kind of like the way the cheeks are though. It's really discreet, the cheek color.
This is the little neck piece I created for Marna. This right here is the end of the, I guess, Shadow High doll body. I cut it off here and created this neck piece here that fits into the headpiece that I customized for the AliExpress Blythes. And you can see here that the head will swivel on that neck piece. And there's a little bit of a shoulder here between the original neck, which is too big to fit inside a Blythe head, and the new, but the only alternative was to try and grind this neck down to make them natural, and we were afraid it would look too obvious. Most of this should be hidden underneath the doll head unless you're peeking up her chin.
Oh, sorry, I held that funny. How many custom neck joints have you done for me now? You've done the fatties.
Well, there's the fatties and the basques and the normal alleys and the what are the...
Well, that would be ices.
And the ices, yeah.
Well, it would be the chubbies, but the chubby body also has to have a...
Right.
The whole thing has to be custom. As you can see, we are moving along, and the neck piece I wanted to point out is fitting beautifully. Darren spent 3 days?
Probably 3 days.
3 days. He calibrates and then makes up a prototype, and then he's very picky, and he wants everything down to the last millimeter. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please go visit all the other Dolls Gone Goth using the hashtag Dolls Gone Goth Easter. Also, so that I can personally make sure that I see all of your videos, if you're watching this and you have a Dolls Gone Goth video today, please go see J Dolls UK. I know she's got something cute cooked up. And if you'll leave a note below that you also have a video, I will come by and get to see it. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.